Automatic buy sell signal indicator. In live market, it will indicate calls like a signal. Right now it's a buy call, buy signal, green color candle open. In 1 minute of market open, 9:16 am, buy call generated. It happens automatically. Right now you are watching this video. Like this daily, you just need to watch this chart. This chart will give you calls like a signal. Today the buy call came at buy at 48,575. On daily basis, on standard basis, we are uploading video on Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart, and today in 1 minute chart, in 1 minute of market open, buy call came buy at 48,575. Above lines are target line, below red color line is the stop loss line. 575 is the entry point, 696 is the first target. It's a 120 point first target range. At 10 o'clock, it break out the first target, and continuous bullish momentum, it break out the second target range also. Like this call generated and break out both the target. At first, market was traded in a flat momentum for the half an hour, and then market started to move in continuous bullish direction from 9:45 to 10:30, continuous bullish direction, and break out both the target. Like this call break out the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.